This is a TowSmart adjustable locking coupler pin. So to try to get into this, well, it's not a great lock. It can be raked, it can be zipped. I'm not going to go through all three. I'm just going to pick it in the video. I have some shorts up that are loading. So to try to get into it, there's going to be 32 thousandths adaptive turner and the number 4 from the Reaper set. 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then I had to hit 2 and it opened. But that's the TowSmart coupler pin lock.